Good morning, students. After discussing light reflection and refraction in first and second period parts, today we discuss in third parts image formation by the concave and convex mirror and what types of these are mirrors, and real image, what is real image and what is virtual image. So good morning to all of you. Today we start the new topic. Let's start. Concave mirror and convex mirror. So before starting the topic image formation by the concave mirror, we have to understand some rules how we obtain image formation and what kind why it is happen when the two lines meet, how it's deal with that. So concave mirror and convex mirror. Okay. Now understand what is real image and virtual image in case of this mirror. How we can say that? We know that very well. Real image are those images which are obtained on the screen, and virtual image are those images which are not obtained on a screen. It is an illusion. So understand. And real image, virtual image. Real image which is caught on screen, and virtual image which is not caught on screen. So real image are image obtained by the camera. We see lots of real image in the daily life which is caught on screen. सिनेमा कह सकते हैं जिसे, फोटो क्लिक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, विच इज नॉट कॉट ऑन स्क्रीन. सो फेस इमेज in plane mirror, it is also a virtual image in which the image is not formed on a screen. How we understand or how we define this image, real and virtual, in terms of what, to how we understand in this mirror, spherical mirror. So the technical term is, when real image are those image on the mirror when it is formed on the same side, like any mirror. Suppose this is the concave mirror, and this is principal axis, center of curvature, focus, and if any light incident on the surface, an image is formed in the same side of the mirror. Is called real image. Similarly, what is virtual image? Virtual image are those image, suppose this is principal axis and this is the incident light, and somehow your incident is not meeting here. We found behind the mirror. Okay. So our topic is image formation by concave mirror. Okay. So before starting image formation, we have to know how we deal two lines intersect each other, because we understand the light is moving in the straight line, so we take as that phenomena. So first law for image formation, we have to know four rule about it. So first rule is, when image is formed, let's have a look first. This is your concave mirror. Principal axis, center of curvature. So first you tell me what happened when the parallel line strike on the incident on the surface of a concave mirror. So it passes its focus somewhere in the middle of radius of curvature, so it's reflect back due to its nature concave in the same medium. So we say that when any parallel line passes to the principal axis, so its reflect back through a point is called focal. So when a parallel light incident on any mirror, it reflect back through its principal focus. Okay, this is the first one we have to know about it. Second one is the converse of this. What happened when the incident light through the principal focus and strike on the surface of any mirror. Concave mirror, this is principal axis, this is center of curvature, this is focus. And what happened if the light is incident through its focus? So after reflection, its reflect parallel to the principal axis. Same thing we understand also in case of convex mirror. This is principal axis, and what happened if the light is strike through its focus? It's reflected back parallel to the principal axis. Same thing is here also applicable for convex mirror. This is principal axis, center curvature is here, so we take as a virtual. What happens if any light is strike on the outward surface and which is parallel to the principal axis? So it's appears when it is divergent due to its property. So when we send back the rays, it appear to meet at a focus. Okay. Next, third one, right, when a light incident through principal focus after reflection it passes parallel of principal axis. Third one. What happens if the light is passes through its center of curvature? So whenever the light is passes center of curvature, it's not be deviated going in any kind of deviation. Let's have a look first. This is your concave mirror, principal axis, center of curvature. So when any light passes through its center of curvature, after reflection, it's reflected back with this reflected along same path. Why so? Because at the microscopic look, for a small piece where it is striped, so it's behave like a plane mirror. When a light incident perpendicular on a plane mirror, it reflected back on along same path. So this is also applicable for the convex mirror, principal axis. So somewhere the center of curvature is here. So what happens if light is strike center of curvature? We meet the line. Now see that it reflected back along same path. So write it, when light strike by or incident by center of curvature, it's reflected back along same path. Okay. Fourth one is when a light strike at a pole, what will be happen? So in this law or in this rule, we understand by the law of reflection. You know that whenever light is incident, suppose this is a pole and this is mirror M dash and this is principal axis. So light is incident at some angle. You know very well in the first part of the video, in the law of reflection, it always forms same angle. Angle I is equal to angle R. In all cases, angle I is equal to angle R. So law of reflection is always follow everywhere. Okay. So whenever the light is strike on pole, so it makes same angle. So you have to know these law, this rule, simple basic image line formation rule, by which you understand how we draw image formation. Okay, let's note down. Okay student, so now we are studying image formation by the concave mirror. So there are 6 cases. Here we write position of object, where we put it, position of image, where it's formed, nature of image इसे हम बाद में भी लिख सकते हैं, नेचर ऑफ इमेज को, साइज ऑफ इमेज, किस साइज का बनेगा, साइज ऑफ इमेज, एंड लास्ट वन नेचर ऑफ इमेज। खाली सी जगह में लास्ट में we draw the diagram। टेबल कुछ ज्यादा ही बड़ा बन गया, leave it। So first case, what happen when the object put at infinity? Whenever object is put on infinity, so position of image is formed at a focus, size of image is formed point size, very diminished, and nature of image is real and inverted. Whatever the size of the image, doesn't matter how small it is, it also doesn't matter. The thing is, the image is formed always real, which means the same side of the mirror. So let's do it. At infinity, position of image is found at focus, and size of image is very diminished, or point size, you can say that, point size diminished, very diminished. Nature of image is real and inverted. Let's see how it's formed. This is the principal axis and this is your concave mirror. M dash. Okay, suppose the line is come from very far place, so it is parallel to the principal axis. You know that what will happen when light is incident to strike on the surface parallelly through the principal axis? It passes through its principal focus. So somewhere here is the center of curvature and here focus. So after the reflection, rays are passes through its focus, it is intersect here, so your image is formed here. ये समझा जाए कि infinity से आया है, very large places. Suppose this is the image of a tree, so here at F your point size object is formed, which is caught on a screen. That's why it is a real image and the image will be inverted, and this, it looks like this, इस तरह से छोटा सा बनेगा, ठीक। Okay, next. Now we study this case of steady position of objects. Like what happened when we move the objects near to the mirror, because we take very far at infinity. Now next, remember to how we remember it, position of the objects. Next is when we close to mirror. So next condition is beyond C, which is also far away from the mirror. Beyond C, the condition is 3, only 3. So first at infinity, then beyond C, then at C, then at F, and then in between distances. So what will be happen in case of beyond C? When an object is placed beyond C, how we know that this results beyond C, and position of image is formed between F and C, size of image is diminished but not so diminished, real and inverted. It is also formed by the image formation. If your concept is clear, or you are understand very well how to draw the image formation, then you can not memorize it, you can understand and after understanding you have to learn that. Now let's have a look in this concave mirror. This is concave mirror and this is principal axis, this is center of curvature. Center of curvature somewhere here. In the between there is a F and your object is placed beyond C. So suppose somewhere here AB, like a tree. Tree or candle or so many objects. So first light at the top. You know why we take it two lines? Because you know light is come in the parallel beam of light. We take two lights image line formation to understand concept. But in general, you know that light is come as a source, a beam of light. There is different concept. So when it is strike parallel to the principal axis, you know that by the first rule, it passes through its focus. Okay, and now apply any other rule. What happen when the light is passes through its center of curvature? It's reflected back in the same path. Here, and it reflected back in the same path. You know, it is after reflection it strike at this point. So your image is formed here. Suppose your image is AB size. So your object is AB. So it's become inverted. So A dash B dash. So would you get it here? Whenever you put your object at beyond C, position of object formed between F and C, and size of image is diminished, and the nature of image is real and inverted. Why it is real? Because same side of the mirror. Why it is inverted? Because beyond and below the principal axis. You also understand is sign conventions. Whenever we take above to the principal axis, all sign would be positive, below is negative, and image is erect. Same